Top 10 AI tools on the next level. Discover the cutting-edge realm of AI with our list of the top 10 next-level AI tools. These powerful tools are reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Join us as we explore these tools that can change the way you work forever. Runaway AI. Runaway AI enhances your work and improves productivity. This AI-powered tool changes the way content is created by allowing you to generate videos from text descriptions, change video styles with prompts or images, and even create original images from words. With a user-friendly mobile app, you can record or transform videos in minutes, exploring a range of captivating presets like claymation or watercolor art. While more features are set to roll out later, Runway's tools still present exciting possibilities for social media content and enjoyable user experience. 11 Labs. Introducing 11 Labs, a game changer in the world of AI. With its cutting-edge software, you can transform your work and boost productivity. Experience the magic of realistic, lifelike voices for your audiobooks, podcasts, and recordings. It's user-friendly, allowing you to create and edit audio files effortlessly. Plus, it's affordable, with a free tier to get started. Improve your projects with 11 Labs' exceptional TTS and voice cloning software, designed to captivate audiences and deliver a professional touch to your creations. Notion AI. Imagine effortlessly summarizing lengthy text, generating fresh ideas, translating across languages, and getting instant answers to your questions. Notion AI simplifies it all. Whether you're a writer seeking inspiration, a collaborator bridging language barriers, or simply looking to stay organized, Notion AI has you covered. By automating tasks and providing valuable insights, it maximizes your productivity, enhances your creativity, and streamlines collaboration. Take your work to new heights with Notion AI, the tool that empowers you to achieve more with ease. Otter AI. Unlock the power of collaboration with Otter AI, your intelligent meeting partner. In addition to answering questions instantly and collaborating with participants, Otter AI Chat takes productivity to new heights. Get answers by asking about crucial discussions or decisions, and let Otter AI Chat provide instant context-based responses. Seamlessly collaborate with teammates and Otter AI Chat within the meeting, clarifying details without interrupting the conversation flow. Plus, Otter AI Chat goes beyond by generating meeting-specific content, transforming your discussions into actionable items, summaries, and follow-ups. GitHub Copilot. Meet your personal coding companion, GitHub Copilot. Harnessing the knowledge of billions of lines of code, Copilot suggests code and entire functions in real time, right from your editor. Say goodbye to time-consuming boilerplate and repetitive code patterns. With Copilot, you can now focus on building exceptional software without unnecessary delays. Simply describe the logic you need, and Copilot generates code to implement the solution instantly. It adapts to your project's context and style conventions, offering tailored recommendations. Whether you're exploring new languages or frameworks, or honing your coding skills, Copilot guides you through unfamiliar territory, saving you from endless documentation searches. Magic Studio. Transform your images with just a few taps with Magic Studio. No more expensive photo shoots anymore. Professional-grade visuals are available to you at no cost at all. Remove unwanted objects and backgrounds in seconds. Also, let your imagination run wild with the Imagine tool that brings your words to life. Enlarge your photos without losing quality for impressive high-resolution images. Create stunning profile pictures that make you look awesome with the photo booth feature. Resume.io. Resume writing has never been easier. With pre-generated text, visual designs, and seamless integration from Resume.io. This online resume maker gives you a real advantage in securing that dream job. Engage recruiters, hiring managers, and CEOs with a professional story told through advanced creation tools. Your CV becomes truly competitive with the help of the recruiter-tested tool. With Resume.io, it's time to say goodbye to obstacles and hello to success in your career. Plantrips AI. With its powerful artificial intelligence, Plantrips AI tailors personalized itineraries based on your interests and preferences. Discover over 100 million travel destinations and find your perfect getaway. Effortlessly create detailed itineraries, including flights, hotels, activities, and transportation, using Plantrips AI's intuitive trip planner. Stay on budget with the handy expense tracker. Also, engage with a vibrant travel community in the forum, sharing experiences and seeking advice. Podcastle. Podcasting has never been easier. With Podcastle, you can create, edit, and publish captivating podcasts effortlessly. Record your audio in stunning quality using the recording studio. Edit with ease. Trim, split, and add music or sound effects to your recordings. Transcribe your episodes for enhanced SEO and accessibility and valuable insights with detailed analytics on your audience. Also, leave the hosting worries to the AI as it takes care of distributing your podcast to major platforms. Lalal AI. With its cutting-edge artificial intelligence, Lalal AI can effortlessly extract stems from audio tracks, allowing you to remove vocals, instruments, and more with precision and ease. Whether you're creating karaoke tracks, remixing songs, or composing new music, Lalal AI has you covered. It offers a free plan for up to 5 minutes of audio per month, and additional paid plans with extra features and high-quality downloads. Experience the simplicity and superior results of Lalal AI as it opens up a world of possibilities for your musical projects.